What is a rule of thumb when you're trying to buy with FHA and you don't want to put the 20% down, but you want to become an investor? Okay, the rule of thumb is that you buy 4 units when you first start. And then you might say, but I don't have a lot of money to buy 4 units. You don't have to. Because what ends up happening with FHA is that they get the income of the other 3 units that you're going to be renting out. So let's say you buy an apartment building that has 4 units. You're going to live in one. And then the other 3, you're going to rent out for $2,500 each. That's already $7,500 a month. So you'll probably live in one of them for free. Or you might pay a little bit. It depends on how much it costs you, right? Okay, so those $7,500 become your income monthly. And of course, they don't get the 100%. How does that work? They do 7,500 times 12. Okay, and that's your income. So that's what? 75,000 plus another 14,000. That's about 80, like about 90,000, right? And you're already making 100,000. So they're going to count about 170,000 of income. Okay, now you could buy that unit, right? So that's how people end up buying 4plex. And then 2 years later, they save up some money. And again, with another 3.5% down, they end up buying what? They end up buying a 3 unit with FHA because they tell FHA that they're downsizing now. And they do the same thing over again. They get the income from the 2 properties, you live in one. But now the lender's going to get the income from all 4 units that you had first. So now that's going to be, what, about 120,000 a year, 110,000 a year, plus your income, 100,000, that's 220,000. And now the income of the other 2 units, minus the one that you're living in. Okay, let's say that you're renting them for $3,000 each every month. That's $6,000. So, okay, you're making like another 80. So all of that income starts adding up.